If your Ford Ranger turns the key and gives you nothing but silence or a click, here is how to find the problem. Over 80% of no-start issues on modern trucks trace back to simple electrical connections or a dying battery. Let us break down the diagnostics into manageable steps. Always start with the basics by checking for loose battery terminals or a transmission that is not fully in park. Pay close attention to the sound, as a rapid click usually points to the battery, while silence suggests a deeper electrical fault. If the starter spins but the engine will not fire, consider checking your fuel pump or the crankshaft position sensor. You can handle battery and fuse issues at home, but internal starter or ECU faults usually require a professional shop. As shown here, the battery remains the most frequent culprit for these no-start conditions in Ford trucks. Advanced diagnostics involve reading OBD-I error codes and using a multimeter to verify voltage reaches the starter motor. Keep a basic toolkit with a multimeter and scanner on hand to save yourself a costly tow truck fee. Remember that guessing leads to wasted parts, so always measure your voltage before buying any new components. If you found this guide helpful for your Ranger, hit like and subscribe for more truck troubleshooting tips.